How to create a barcode in Excel. Are you engaged in some kind of sales and need to make a barcode from your product? If the answer is yes, stay until the end of the video and find out how to do it. First of all, go to the link in the video description. It will take you to a page where you can download the barcode font to your computer. Scroll through the site until you find the download button. Once you've found it, click on it and wait for the font to download. Once the font has been downloaded, simply click on the file you downloaded. WinRAR or one of the programs for zipping files will open. The next thing we will do is to go to the folder at the top and select one of the two fonts that are there. When we click on one of them, a new window will open in which we need to find Install button and click on it. We will wait for the font to be installed. I already installed it, so I won't do it again. After that, we will open the Excel that we want to edit. In the field where we want the barcode, we will type the formula according to the principle as you can see. You will also have the formula in the description of the video. After that, we will go to the lower right part of the field, click and expand on all the fields for which we want a barcode. After that, in the font selection field, type iAutomation font and click the Enter button. As you can see, this will make us a barcode of the values we want. That's all for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more office tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.